Alrighty folks, today we got this in the mail. It's from Hoss Tools. It's a wheel hoe. We got this for the garden and we're getting ready to open the box up and see what all's in it. Figure out how to open it all up. Okay. There's some stickers. Here's our manual. Plow point. Alrighty. I think that's it. Now we'll get ready and start putting it together. Alrighty, right now the first thing it says is put the wheels on. So far so good. There's the one side. Now, put the wheel here. You got a dust cap. Put that on there. It helps if you have an assistant here helping you hold it. Alrighty. this cap fell off. Oh no. Well, the other one wasn't this difficult. Okay, here we go. And just, well, that's not what we do. There we go. All right. Take your 3/16 Allen wrench, place there, and then just tighten it up. Back off just a little bit, or it'll turn easy. Alrighty. Now, let's see here. Let's make sure we got this facing the right way. Yep, you want the flat side to the inside. So this is the way it'll go. We'll get our high arch. Alrighty. Now we're going on to the high arch. Okay, Dan. There you go, lift up on that. We'll get one started there. Get one of the nuts. Move your hand. Let it go forward just a little bit there. You got this?
No.
See, we also like to have a little bit of comedy on this channel too. Of course, you can get a good laugh just watching us. Alrighty. Now, get our nut. Down yet, Dan. Lift up. All right. You set her down there now. Tighten it up. Making sure they're good and tight. Where's the little girl?
She's over there. She's watching what Mama's doing.
Now we're putting on the brackets for the handles. Hey Dan, go check on your little dog over there. We're over here on this side now. This will be the brackets for the handles. Alright, now we're putting on the handles. This is one of the cultivators. I'm just putting the bolts with it. We're about done, folks. Okay. We'll go ahead, take these back off before we get too far into it. Put the little lock washer on there. Now, third part's a little bit hurt. Now what we'll do, let me loosen this up just a little bit here. We're going to have to spread them apart just a little bit, I would say, to get this dowel. This goes in between the handles. We'll put a little bit of wood glue on it. And then we've got a screw also that goes in there. Alrighty. You take the little girl out there? Yeah. Okay. Open them apart. Alright, get me a handy dandy paper towel out. Then it recommends using linseed oil. Actually, they got a success kit. They was sold out of those right now. It comes with a file and linseed oil and some sandpaper. Camera, you can hold it up here. Pick up this wood glue. Well, there's the finished product. And then also it come with plows. And also this here is for covering up your corn. We'll let you know here before long how it does. Thank you for watching.
Alrighty, I just wanted to put in at the end here, we do recommend the high arch wheel hoe. If you hate weeding and you want to get it done faster, get it. It'll be one of the best investments you make for your garden. Be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, also hit the notification bell so you don't miss a video. Y'all have a blessed day.